So hello and welcome to the first look vlog of Ola's electric scooter. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you will never ever miss any awesome content. So basically Ola is a cab hailing app, cab sharing app, and it's a tech startup related to cab businesses here in India. And they are aiming to manufacture electric scooters here in India. So when and where did the cab company learn to manufacture electric scooters here in India? So what has happened is they have acquired a Amsterdam based electric scooter startup which is known as Itergo, and they have acquired it totally, and they are bringing this Itergo's product which is known as App Scooter here in India, rebranding it as Ola electric scooter. Now this scooter will not be a complete replica of this Itergo app scooter. It will have some changes. It will follow the rule book and the guidelines given by the Indian Motor Vehicular Authority or whatever authority or the governing body present here in India, and the basic components or the basic design of the scooter will remain same. For example, let's take a look at its specification. So this being an electric scooter, it will run on electricity, and the battery present here for the storage of electricity and to run this scooter is a 3-module battery. It's a 3 kilowatt hour battery, and each module, when it is charged fully, it will run for 80 kilometers. So total range of this scooter on a single charge will be 240 kilometers. A full charge here of this battery, it will take around 5 hours, whereas on the rapid charge or fast charging option, you can charge this battery in just 2.5 hours. It has a 6 kilowatt motor present here which produces 50 Newton meters of torque, which is pretty good compared to Bajaj Chetak which has a 4 kilowatt battery and it produces only 15 Newton meters of torque. Front as well as rear wheels will have disc brakes, and they will have a fat wheelbase which is highly recommended on Indian road conditions. Also, it will have a 50-liter under-seat space capacity which is pretty big, as well as it will have an option of regenerative braking. This scooter has some pretty impressive features. For example, the screen on the front console, it will be run using Android OS, and this screen will be controlled using the switches on both the switch gears, and it will be showing us the features like music control, navigation, vehicle information like speed, amount of battery charge present and stuff like that. Also, the idea here is that whenever you are riding this bike, you will never be able to take off your hands from the handle like they do here in India, like this with the phone. Like, let me show you, they do here like this. So you don't need to do all those things. You just need to connect your phone to the Bluetooth of the vehicle, and just you can control it using those switches on the switch gears. So final verdict, Itergo being a winner of Innovations Award for this particular product App Scooter in Europe, and Ola acquiring it is a pretty sweet deal and pretty much big deal for Indian markets and Indian customers, because Indian customer is going to receive a pretty good product if compared with Bajaj Chetak's electric scooter and Ather electric scooter. Also, Ola is setting up a plant in Tamil Nadu state of India where it will be able to produce 1 crore units per year. Let me put you in this way, Hero and Honda, they both produce around 70 lakhs and 90 lakhs unit per year. So that's how big this deal is. Also, if the production rate is higher, the costs will be less. So in this case of Ola electric scooter, you can book this Ola electric scooter on Ola's website for just by paying 500 rupees, and the price of this scooter will be 1 lakh. So on this bombshell, let's end today's vlog. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Till then, ciao.